What if there was a better way to tick off your bucket list? Well, there is now. You must see the sunsets of Greece, and AVG Travels have 2 tours to get you there with incredible prices you won't find anywhere else. Step into history with the 7-day The Ancient Cities of Greece tour. Wander through Athens, Delphi, and Meteora, where myths meet reality. Marvel at the ancient Acropolis. Visit the historic battlefield of King Leonidas and his 300 Spartans, and explore the birthplace of the Olympic Games. Or maybe you're dreaming of the island life. The 10-day The Islands of Greece tour takes you from Athens to the dazzling shores of Mykonos, Santorini, and Crete. Think sun-drenched beaches, charming towns, and postcard-perfect views at every turn. Trust me, the sunsets here might be the most beautiful you'll see anywhere in the world. Whichever adventure you choose, AVG Travels has you covered with hand-picked accommodation, airport transfers, expert English-speaking guides, and transportation, including ferries between destinations. So history or islands, or ruins or romance? Why not both? Travel more and spend less with AVG Travels, and book today.